Have you ever wondered how to make a professional contact form that actually sends emails straight to your Gmail inbox or your client's Gmail inbox? So contact forms help businesses collect inquiries, service requests, and also potential clients who are interested in your services. So you could be a lawyer, a doctor, a business analyst, and you like to collect and you like to get appointments from your clients. So this is a feature that must not miss out on your website. So this is a website I worked on some time back. So I had to bring in this feature where someone can go on and book a consultation, an appointment. So there's this form where a client can go on and add their name, their email address, their phone number, in case they are interested in sharing their phone number. So I had to include this field for selecting their service, selecting the date of the appointment and their preferred time. Someone might want to meet you in the morning. Also, you can add in some additional information. And go on and schedule an appointment. So someone will receive a pop-up message that their appointment has been booked successfully. So they will be routed to this thank you page. So it's a nice feature to thank someone for taking an action, tell them what's next. So you can tell someone to go and check whether they have received an email and all that. To make it more engaging, you can put some CTA buttons telling someone to go and see the services they do provide you and all that. So let's quickly go to Gmail to see whether we receive. So the first email, so this is the email the business will receive. So the business will get notified that such and such a client wants to book an appointment with you at such a date and the preferred time. So the business will be notified and they can take quick action. Someone can quickly chat with a client and talk more about what they are interested in. The client will also receive a notification on their email. So this is the Gmail account for the client who has submitted in their appointment. So this is how it will look like. This is something to inform that yes, we received your email that was about this and this. We are gonna talk to you shortly. So this is an important feature that shouldn't miss in your website. Thank you. I'll be sharing more about making professional websites that are more engaging and modern and professional.